Hi there, in this video I'm going to give you some training on how to create a task in the task marketplace. This is pretty simple, but there's a lot of really important things that you need to note depending on the type of task that you're creating. But let's start real basic, and to create a task what you want to do is come over to the Reward Center and click on Create Task. Then you want to give your task a title. When you're giving your task a title, you want to make sure the title is engaging and fun so that it gets members' attention, right? So if this is a Facebook liking task, for example, a Facebook fan page liking task, I should say, then you want to kind of give the members an idea of what they're going to be doing. So in this case, we would just say like this Facebook fan page to get a fun reward, okay? And click Save. From there, it's just simply uploading a photo to go with this task. Now, you want to upload a photo that also gets the members' attention and that is relevant to the task. Okay, so you could upload a photo of yourself, I would recommend. You could upload a photo of your logo or anything that has to do with the brand of your fan page or the message of your fan page. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead and choose just a picture of mine here on my computer. Okay, the photo will upload. Sometimes this will happen depending on the size of your photo. When you upload a photo, there's a little bug in the system we're getting fixed. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, but you can see here the photo got cut off. So by the time you watch this video, maybe that'll be fixed, but if it's not, just ignore it. It's okay, the photo's in there. And if you go next and you go back, then you'll see the photo fully there. So that's just a little bug in the system, but nothing that's going to get in your way. So when you're done, just click Next, and here's where you're going to choose your task type. Liking a Facebook fan page. Let's go with this task type for now. And all you're going to do is grab the full URL of your Facebook fan page. So you want to come over to Facebook and just copy and paste the entire URL of your Facebook fan page on Facebook. Okay, if you don't know how to copy and paste, just right click, copy, and come back over to the GPS back office and right click and hit paste. That's all you need to do for your Facebook fan page. It's very, very, very simple. For liking something on Facebook, let me explain to you what this means. So the liking something on Facebook task is not liking a post or liking a Facebook photo or video. So currently, the Facebook API does not allow us to like posts that you don't own. So you can't like other people's posts via their API, which means we can't make this work within our software. What it does allow you to do, though, is you can like a website, for example, on Facebook. You can like a YouTube video. You could like a blog post, something like that. So when you're choosing this task type, you do not want to choose anything on Facebook. So you can't choose a Facebook post, you can't choose a Facebook photo, a video, anything like that. It's not going to work. Okay, so you just want to put in your website address or the object that you want the person to like, the video outside of Facebook. Okay, so and you just put the full URL including the HTTP right into this field. The next task, sharing a Facebook post, does work, and you can grab any post on Facebook to share it. And what you want to do is just come over to Facebook, and if we go to my personal profile, we could grab, for example, this video that I posted. And I'm actually going to do this live so that this is a task in the community, and I'll share this video with everybody. So to get the post URL, what you want to do is click on the date of the post. You click on the date of the post, and then you come up here and you just grab the entire URL right up here, right click, copy, come here. If you get stuck on this like I just did, and you need to get the box away, just click off of it and it'll go away. So then right here in this post, right click and hit paste, and there is the post that everybody's going to be sharing on Facebook. Okay, now if I was doing a website task, you would just type in the URL of your website. That is very, very simple. Alright, so I just went back and changed. If you need to go back and change anything, for example, I went back and already changed my title. You can do that. You can change the photo. It's all good. So just click Next, and then here you are. You've got the URL in there, and you're ready to set your reward settings. Okay, so this is where you're going to set your desired reward amount and your budget. This is all self-explanatory, but right here there's two fields. We have dollars and cents. For those of you that want to put high dollar rewards in there, you can put your dollars right here and your cents right here. The important thing to note on the cents is that if you want 5 cents, for example, you have to put in a leading zero. That's 5 cents. If you don't put in the leading zero and you do this, that's 50 cents. Okay, keep that in mind. So we're going to go. This particular task type has a minimum reward of 10 cents. So we're just going to put in 10 cents. Then we put in our budget. So for example, if my budget is $100 for this task, what's going to happen is at least a guarantee of 1,000 members are going to finish this task. So I'll have 1,000 people share my video, and I'm going to get tons of views on that video. So once you're done there, just click next, and this will give you a summary of your task. So what happens here is if you're a free member, it's going to prompt you to pay a one-time $10 listing fee. If you're a premium member, then you will not see that option as it's waived for you. The other thing to note is that you need to have in your reward credit enough to cover your budget here. So for example, my budget is $100, so I'd have to make sure that I have at least 100 reward credits purchased in order to post this task, and it'll tell you if you have enough, and it'll give you an option to purchase more. Okay, so that's important to note. So what happens is the system pays out the rewards to the members out of your reward credits. So as members are completing your task, your reward credits will continue to decrease, and you'll want to make sure you have enough reward credits in there. So I would encourage you that once you're getting great results on this task and members are completing the task, for example, my budget here is $100, I'm gonna get 1,000 people to share that post probably within the next couple of hours, and if it's producing well for me and it's producing results and I'm liking what I'm seeing, I can go in and actually increase my budget and run this task again and increase my budget so that it continues, and I would encourage you to do that. So once you're done, just go ahead and click finish, and it will go ahead and post this task to the marketplace. So this is your task listings page. These are all the tasks that you've listed. There's your task type, date and time, title, photo, the reward amount on the task, your maximum budget for the task, and then here's where you want to pay attention. This is your reward progress. So for example, ignore some of these. But we had a bug in the system that it was paying out a little more than we had budgeted for. That's not happening anymore, so don't worry, but ignore those. Here you can see 180 paid out of 5,000. So right here, I'm going to show you the power of this. I've spent $14.40 and I've got 180 likes on the GetPaid.social fan page, and I just put this task in last night. Now, if you are a free member and you're asked to pay the fee, or if you're a premium member and you don't have enough in your budget, it will show you right here you don't have enough in your budget or you need to pay the fee. Okay, then all you do is click the edit button to go back in, and it'll prompt you how to pay the fee or increase your credits. At any time you can go in and you can view the details of your task here. Okay, and right here it shows you the post that you put in that you want people to share. It shows you your maximum budget, your remaining budget. Look, see, I just put this in there and I've already got someone sharing that video. It's pretty great, right? This is very powerful. So you can do that on all of your tasks. You cannot edit or delete a live task. You just can't. I need to mention that. So once you put a task live into the marketplace, you are unable to edit or delete that task. It's just the way it's got to be. So if we come back over to my dashboard, you'll see my available reward credits has gone down. I can purchase more here. You can purchase, just click that button, and right here you choose your package. Simply click the button. There's a small transaction fee on each of the different packages. Okay, and so that's it. I highly encourage you to create your task immediately. If you just want to test it out, start with a $25 task and check it out, see how it works, and see what kind of results you get in your business, what kind of exposure you get, what it does for your lead generation, your sales, your branding, all of that, right? So what I encourage every premium member at least to do, and free members, is come in, put in just one $25 task. If every single one of our members did this, our marketplace would be packed and everybody would be making a ton of money. So that's what I want you guys to do. I want everyone to be making money, and the only way this works is if people put in tasks. Just come in here at least a couple times a week, put in a task. Spend 25, 50, 100 bucks. Take some of the earnings that you're earning, your premium members who are earning commissions. Take some of those earnings and put it back into the community, okay? Just 25, 50, 100 bucks, whatever it is, put it in there. Everybody has a task that they can have done to benefit their life and their business. Whether it's just like what I did, sharing a video of me singing. It has nothing really to do with my business, but it helps my brand and it helps me personally, right? So just keep that in mind. Create your task, and we're going to have more task types coming really, really soon. Thanks so much. If you need any help with any of this, please let us know.